Mm. Mm. Oh,
Welcome back to BonAppekit, where we make all of your dreams in the kitchen come true. Come along with us this week as I show you how to make an authentic Greek salad with just 3 ingredients. This idea came to us from our dear friend Dina, who just came back from Greece and told us that everyone is serving this in large proportions, and it all starts with bell peppers, onions, and feta cheese. On top of that, you're going to need some spices, olive oil of course, and you know me, I've got a handful of secret ingredients in my pocket for this one. Hey Carrie, what's a lawyer's favorite Greek dish?
I don't know.
Souvlaki. The best thing about this recipe is that there's no cooking involved, which is valuable to us here in the South, where no one wants to be sweating over a hot stove to make dinner for everyone. So let's get started. Start by dressing your pepper, or would this be undressing the pepper? Just come up these ribs with your knife, cut those out. They're good fiber, but they're a little bitter to most people's palates. So remove that pith and just pop out the center of the stem. Yeah, just slide your knife up the side and into the meat of your hand. Just pull that top out just like that. Clean out the ribs, ditch the seeds, and we're good to go to step 1, the slicing. We just want to cut these into strips, and in my experience, the easiest way is the rainbow cut. So, to demonstrate, you're going to start on one end and then just slowly make a rainbow to the other side of your pepper. Check this out. You're going to love it, I promise. See, once you're halfway through, rotate at 90 degrees. All right, or don't. At this point, you can just flip that over, cut your slices out of the middle. Mind your fingers. So it all depends on if you're an innie or an outie, if you want to cut from the outside or cut from the inside. And then all of these beautiful, fresh green bell pepper strips are going to go into a medium mixing bowl. Once your onion is dressed, by undressing it, this is easy. Just cut it in half and rainbow cut that onion. Look at these fresh summer colors. To this, we will give a pour of some extra virgin olive oil. I have an oregano heavy Italian seasoning, fresh cracked pepper, of course some salt. And to that oil, we're also going to dress it with just a little splash of red wine vinegar. Now my first secret ingredient, which I promised, is some red chili flake. And for this, we're just going to put a little pinch, because that will
Kick it up a notch.
kick it up a notch, kick the heat up, give it a little spice. And my other secret ingredient, to take the heat out of that red onion, is just maybe a tablespoon and a half of some local honey. All right, give that a tossing. And you're almost there, folks, I promise. Just make sure everybody gets a little coating.
That looks really good. It smells good.
Hey, Carrie. What turned the Greek chef into a philosopher?
I don't know.
Pondering the spice of life.
That's cute.
So over here on my flat top grill, I'm just gonna put down a bit of olive oil. And let's warm up these pitas, shall we? And these are gonna go for about 60 seconds on each side. Oh, while those are toasting off, unlock your MVP, which of course will be some nice feta and brine. I think it's about time for the flipping in. Ooh, toasty. Grab a heaping honkin' helping. Fresh veggie relish. What do you think of that? Do we save some for tomorrow? Let's save some tomorrow. Now here's the hard part, everyone. This is how it's served. You just drop that feta right on top of everybody. And what this does is, as people reach in and serve themselves off of the shared plate, they can designate how much cheese they get with the salad that they want. Feta's gonna get just a little drizzle of some more olive oil. And a sprinkle of that spice. And the sprinkling. Wow, that is so beautiful. Alright, see they've gotten a little brown and toasty. Just go 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 makes 6. 1, 2. Ow!
Careful.
There is no careful. 3. And like I said, this is a dish that's going to hit the center of the table. Everyone gets to dive in, so the serving selection is to, I guess, cut the corner of that feta. Get a helping of those peppers and onions. And then a little bit more feta. And then a little bit more feta. Step 1, get Greeky with it. This summer salad has a super blend of these subtle, savory flavors all coming together with that pinch of honey taking all the heat out of the red onion and the red pepper. Wow, this is smooth, crisp, and fresh. Try this easy summer salad at your place and let us know what you think. As always, this has been BonAppekit. Feel free to like, subscribe, share us around. Leave any recipes you'd like to see us make in the comments below, and God bless. Hey Carrie, why was the cucumber so stressed out?
I don't know.
Found out it was in a real pickle. Now keep in mind, it doesn't need to be this complicated, but I don't do simple very easily. Try this simple summer salad on the salad lover in your life.
I wouldn't call that simple.
Try this
Easy.
Try this easy summer salad. Try this easy 3-ingredient summer salad on the salad lover in your life. Try this easy 3-ingredient salad this summer at your salad place. Try this easy summer salad. Just try it. I'm serious.